What's going on? I am here with a Farmer's World update. It's been probably a week or so since my last one, but things are pretty steady right now, which is great for the market, I'd say. December was a pretty hard month all around on all markets. Even the beginning of January has been pretty bad for stocks in general. Crypto is no different. So if we look at the table here for wood, for example, it's fluctuated quite a bit within the past couple weeks, but it's starting to kind of hold steady here. You'll see I do have I have a buy and a sell order down here. And the reason I did that is explained in a previous video that I did. But just to give you a quick rundown of why I have these orders in, every time it dips, I am going to buy, and every time it peaks, I'm going to sell. So I have limit orders placed to automatically do that for me so that I don't have to sit here and babysit the market. So whether it gets low enough for me to actually purchase, I don't know, because it's been kind of staying steady between 0.14 and 0.15 wax right now for the wood. But just in case we get some fluctuation, I've got those orders in there as a way to kind of flip the wax and make a little bit of extra money. Gold is staying pretty steady as well, and I'm actually starting to generate my own gold through my farm plots that I've started. So update on my farm is that I've got a couple barley that will be ready probably in the next 3 days or so. And then I went ahead and planted some corn. And the reason I was able to do that is because I upgraded my food tools. So I ended up selling a couple rods and getting a fishing net. I did invest a little bit more in doing that. Originally, I was going to sell all 3 of my rods that I have, but then I realized with the farm plots and the wood tools, I needed as much food as possible. So I have a net and 2 rods going right now. And then I also upgraded to a regular axe to generate more wood. So I feel like I have a pretty good system going right now. I'm starting to feel like the wood tools are maybe not the best use of my energy. I'm going to be looking more into gold and see what happens once I do my first harvest of the barley. And then just one little side note here, I did a video on, sorry about that, did a video on how to bulk burn barley for gold through Atomic Hub. It worked for me on the video, but it is not working for other people. So I'm not quite sure what happened, but for another way to bulk burn, check out Overseas Madman's video. I will link it over here in the corner, but check out his video. He uses, what is it called? EOS Authority in order to do that. It's a little bit more cumbersome, but it is a way to bulk burn crops for gold. I think it works for milk. You're basically burning any asset for gold. One thing to be careful of is do not select the burn option when you are trying to bulk burn if you're going to try through Atomic Hub, because I think, if you get too far ahead of yourself and you don't quite know what you're doing, you could end up selecting multiple ones. And if you click burn, that is not the way to do it. The way to do it is to transfer here through the process. You put burn in the memo. You do not put burn, you do not click burn on the menu here. That will just straight up destroy your NFT and you won't get anything for it. Not that you'd be burning farmer coins. That was just kind of an example of what not to click when you're trying to do barley and corn. So once I harvest that, I'm going to try to burn it through here again, just like I did in my video, and see if it works for me again, or if I get an error, in which case I will go ahead and do it through the EOS Authority instead. So again, check out Overseas Madman's video on that. And he also dropped a video this morning that definitely deserves a plug here, because there is a big new scam out there that everyone needs to be aware of. Essentially, you would receive a link, maybe in Discord message or whatever, from someone saying, hey, I have a trade offer for you. And when you click the link, it looks like it's an Atomic Hub link, but when you click on it, it actually accepts the trade offer right then and there. So there's some kind of coding backend deal that when you click that link, you are automatically accepting the trade offer, which essentially would have been for all of your NFTs for no wax. So it's a way for them to steal your NFTs from your wallet. So do not fall victim to that. The only place you should be even viewing trade offers is directly on Atomic Hub. Like, you need to actually type in your Atomic Hub address and go directly there. Do not click any links. And then any trade offers will appear under this trading tab. So that is the only way that you should even view a trade offer. So please do not fall victim. These people are the absolute scum of the earth. We cannot let them, take advantage of people, especially new people. So please be very, very diligent and mindful of that. Let's see. Other than that, I eventually am going to get into cows. Right now, I'm just trying to work within the resources that I'm generating. So, eventually I'll save up enough wood to craft cows. Right now, I have exchanged my wood, so they're all in wood tokens right now, so that I can continue these buy-sell orders. So if you have any questions for me, feel free to leave a comment below. Let me know where you are with your farms, what your future plans are, how you feel about the project. I still feel strongly that the devs will come through with an update sooner versus later, now that the holidays are behind us. So continue to stay tuned on the Discord channel and just make sure that we are looking for any updates here. Nothing yet from them, but like I said, I don't think it's going away anytime soon. So I'm going to stick with it and continue growing my farm organically as I harvest resources. So, all right. Appreciate you tuning in, and we will catch you later. Subscribe to my channel for more Farmers World updates and how-tos.